Hello everybody, this is Simon, Alistair Capital, and we're here again with a weekly review. I hope you enjoy your weekend, get some rest, and ready for the action. We have some important things happening this week, and it has to do with monetary policies with three major banks. Okay, or let's say countries. We have FOMC this week, which comes together with the interest rate decision and monetary policy and press conference. We have Bank of England interest rate decision and minutes, and you have Bank of Japan monetary policy and interest rate decision. So those three key or major currencies are being affected this week, of course. So we'll go one by one and see what we need to look at this week. Just a very quick review of what we were planning of trading. The last time we did a review, we spoke about euro, we spoke about Australian dollar, we spoke about pound. Let's just go quickly through them. So on Australian dollar, it was a nice trade. We said that we were looking to see a breakouts of the levels. So right here, as soon as we broke the Friday's level, it was a nice move up towards the next resistance. Was a nice trade. Now it showed us over here a little bit indecisive right here, the Thursday, and then we start selling. So this could be at least a temporary top as we reach the previous top over here. It was a nice trade. Another one was pound. We're talking about pound. It was good for a while until, of course, the elections, but we spoke about that. Take a look on the daily chart pound. We said that this looked like a bearish flag, and we said we were going to go up and probably cover this candle before going down, and we said if we break the previous low, which we didn't, and there was no actually entry for the short unless right here this signals as short. So whoever took a trade on the downside was a nice move. Of course, you couldn't predict elections. There's something that we can't predict, and as you can see, there was a big sell-off in pound. I guess they were not happy with what's going on in politics there. We're not going to go into it. So we'll watch it this week. So those are the few things that happened. Now, let's talk about this week. Okay, we'll go one by one. So Tuesday we have a PPI and CPI from Britain. So again, there was a big move, and take a look. The low of that move was 26.36, and we closed 27.41. So we retraced 100 pips from the low. There was a reactive, of course, sell-off right away. If you take a smaller time frame, you could see it better. But it was the first move down. They tried to recover. We made a new low, and then we came slowly up, and we stayed at this level. So let's see how market will digest what's going on and new developments and what's going on in politics. So let's go back into the chart. We might come and kind of retest these levels. We briefly did it on this spike. If you look at the daily chart, look like a spike. If you look on the hourly, that was a move down, slow move down. So let's see what happens this week. And then again, the news are coming out. The PPI and CPI coming on Tuesday. And we have on Thursday, Bank of England interest rate decision followed by minutes. So let's see what are they planning on doing. Now Wednesday we have another thing from China. We have the retail sales and industrial production, and of course the players are going to be copper and Australian dollar. So let's take a look at the copper. It's been very strong. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, it's been selling after this robust move up, and then we're selling. We kept making lower lows, lower highs. Okay, and we're trying to get out of woods here. This is the recent higher low, and then we broke and make kind of a higher high, and now we should probably retest these levels here. Now let's see what the news from China is showing. The news is not so great. This could be a little bit of a a reversal on copper. And let's take a look at the Australian dollar. Australian dollar, like we said, take a look over here. The Thursday trading showed us this could be right here, our top, and then we'll see why currencies would be selling this week. We'll get to that, and the reason is we're going to be watching FOMC now. This could mean that they will raise interest rate by another 25 points. So if that happened, the dollar might act strongly against other currencies, and Australian dollar is included in that. So let's take a look. At the low on Thursday is 0.7524. I want to see that broken. Okay, I wouldn't be running into buying that for sure, but if we're selling, if we're going down and breaking the Thursday low of 75.24, I want to be probably selling in here and take it to a previous levels of support right here and right here. So this one of the trades, Australian dollar, and we spoke about the copper, very strong. It's hard to do anything here. The only thing, if we choose to go a little bit higher here, probably these levels we'll try to sell. Next one is also on Wednesday, the New Zealand dollar has been very strong. We spoke about it last week. And take a look, Friday trade. It shows a little bit of a reversal here. So I want to be looking into selling it as long as we're breaking the Friday's low. It's 0.7189. I will be selling it, probably be selling it at the open as well. So it's a strong resistance we're facing here. And gross domestic product news are coming out on Wednesday. I don't see a big reason for those news to be great. Okay, but I don't want to speculate on that. I'm a technical trader, so I want to be looking to shorting these levels right here. Okay, now Thursday we said the Bank of England interest rate decision. We spoke about that. And Bank of Japan monetary policy on Friday and interest rate decision. So let's take a look at that. Okay, here's the dollar yen. It's a tough one to trade. Let's take a look. Just what's the history of the dollar yen? Right here, I'm showing you the monthly chart. I remember talking to my clients on this, and they were shorting dollar yen because they said the indicators show and so on. And take a look how strong we were. Every pullback there was a buy. Every pullback was a buy. Okay, until about, I mean, we start the summer we didn't do anything more than that, and then since December 2015 we've been selling off a little bit, and we kind of reestablished this level of support, and we bounce off it, and now we're kind of in the air in a way. I mean, you can look left and probably say, okay, this is the level of support. I don't know how valid that is, but the reason I want to look at it because you know, Bank of Japan, I don't know if they're going to surprise us with anything. Should we break this level here? I want to see how we're holding on over here for a low of 108, 108.12, 108. Should we break Friday high this week? I'll probably be buying and then taking it to 114, 113, 114 level. But I want to be very careful coming into the news, so I probably want to be out of the trade in either event before the news. I don't want to be gambling there. And another one I want to take a look at is gold. Okay, and if we have the interest rate decision on FOMC, we have increased in interest rates. Gold probably should see a little bit of a selling here. And my indicators are showing a little bit. Momentum is not supporting this new recent high on gold. So I want to see what's happening there. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. You know, we've been selling slowly, bleeding down, and trying to find some kind of support. So low over here is 1264.50. If that level is broken, I'll probably be selling gold this week. and taking profits, $5–10 profit as we go. And if we bounce, we're gonna go up, probably be selling right here at 1280 levels. Okay, the public will be probably selling in anticipating interest rate increase. So those are the scenarios for the week. I wish everybody a successful week. Make sure you're aware when the news are. You can follow the economic calendar. Make sure you have enough equity in the account, and do the right things. Good luck and happy trading, everybody. All the best.